Yeah, what style man for your device? I don't know, so I want fully brave God skeleton then I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean I say yo, alright, I say the artists and the bodies review them man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
Viewers and subscriber, how you all doing? From the advice, you know, it's your boy Soji TV Entertainment. I mean, I say yes, Navvie done. Yeah, man, I love that look, yeah, man. I mean, I say viewers and subscriber. The artist who me I go review goes by the name Navvie Dan. You know, you can find the music at Navvie Dan official on YouTube. You see, free. And him drop him first official music video titled Playing with Jokes. Viewers and subscriber artists at show him emotion in that song. Yeah. You see me? Him at express him feelings in that song, yeah, viewers and subscriber. Because I roll it for time, so there, I roll it for time and I easy, you know, man, and some little thing I run through mine and I weed me have to smoking and I go and hold a meditation to keep my mind strong said way, you know. You know the thing go. So that song yeah, me can relate it to it. You see it and when you watch it, the artist music video you can see exactly what the artist are going with. You see me? So and I same way thing go more where any lonely road same way I just weed alone can tap all certain pain, you see me? Yeah, man, because certain pain are like say a scars, you know, man, or wound, you know, you see me? There's some things that run through your mind, your heart, and you know, you feel hurt, and you just have to hold it in, and that the concept them get from the music video, you see me? I mean, I say, artist, big up your damn self, you know, man. Before me even say nothing more, me I go make the people them listen piece more of the song, because, yes, artist, me can see say is a sing, you know. Yes, man. You see, you have it on the two side, then you can go hardcore or you can go soft as possible. And yes, man, that is it, man. You don't know, just go and put in the work ethic same maker. You don't know, so the TV entertainment out here, watch it free, you know. And see, you drop your official music video now, you know, and that is it, you know. Yes, man. So, me see at the point you way to 1K subscriber now. You see it and one viewers and subscriber to help you reach over that said way. See, pray and so today I want to reach 500 subscriber now. Wouldn't mind 1K to, but you know we are take it slowly and surely. You see, so I want to know guys to go over Navvie Dan Vivo. You see me? Over YouTube. You can find it at Navvie Dan Official on YouTube. You don't know, so here we artists as a viewer and subscriber. Kill me, me know me dead already. And if you run up, just know you're gonna get it. Make them know that no artist. I mean, I say, yo, viewers and subscriber, I want to know guys to go subscribe to my channel if you don't haven't subscribers yet. Same way, you see me? I want to know to go over your artist Vivo and go make the artist know say me sending over there, you know. Would appreciate that same way. Share up a thing, listen and view up the artist music video. You see me? Would appreciate that, man. And I love and love alone, you know, man. You see, pray now. So, I want to know, guys, to have a productive day now and have a wonderful time. If you're there work or if you're there yard, you see me? Be safe, stay safe. You don't know, Soji TV Entertainment appreciate everybody will come across and support the movement. You see me? I'm gonna leave the song title in the comment section. It's gonna be pinned, so you guys can go in the comment section and tap on it and go straight to the music video. You see me? I want to leave an honest comment in the comment section. Help Soji grow as well. Make me know how me I go on if everything steady. You see me? So me can work on what me can work on or if me fi do what. You see me? Just make me know in the comment section, viewers and subscriber. That's all I'm asking for. You see me? Share up a thing. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to Soji TV Entertainment. Madam me, hundreds. Big up on yourself, you know, all of my viewers. You see me? Yeah, man. Killing the pain with drugs, let me pour it out.